Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, we are going to be working on this, I don't know, it looks kind of like a stained glass thing. And I got it from, oh dear, I'll put it in the description. It's written right there, but I can't get the thing up. Not real sure what that says. Yeah. So how's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great week. We're finally to Wednesday. Yay! Woohoo! Yeah. Yesterday was kind of busy when I got there. I mean, it was steady. People coming and going, coming and going. And then it just about, 7 o'clock, it just kind of died out. So I was happy for that. So, yay. It just kind of drug on from 7 o'clock on. I know that's only 2 hours, but it felt like 10. Just a few things here, a few people there, nothing too terribly exciting. But went to the grocery store after work and bought all the stuff to make a minestrone soup, because I don't know why, I have to have it. Have to make some. So, and plus it'll get me through the weekend. I know, I'm one of those crazy people that can eat that stuff for every day, for the next 3 or 4 days. And whatever I have left over, I'll put, in the freezer. Hopefully it freezes well. I'm using these new little craft storage boxes that I got, and they hold 12 different colors. The problem is, God forbid you dump the dang thing upside down, because you will be sorting drills until kingdom come. So this has 24 colors, so I use both. Whoops, I'm glad I got 2 of them. Yeah, it was awesome. So so far it's okay. I haven't had to move this whole thing. I started this, I kitted it up yesterday before I went to work, and then when I got home I just put in a few colors, because I just needed a diamond paint, I guess. I got nothing, but here we are. And, it's got lots of pretty colors in it, and the, what do you call it? The kit is not like solid backgrounds here and there. You got bigger areas for some of the birds and stuff, but it's not, whole background is black or anything weird. So I like that part. And it seems to be progressing fairly decent. So that's a good thing. Didn't do anything when I got home other than diamond paint, because, after you've sat there for 2 or 3 hours where nothing's going on, it just kind of fries me. I'm one of those that it just needs to move a little faster most of the time. So, and I can't find my white thing, or, oh, wait a minute, I think I see it. Hang on. Just as I said that, I looked up. Hang on, reaching. I prefer my, there you go. These are okay, I mean, they're great little starter things. But I like to have, this has deeper ribs. I don't know if you can see that. No, I don't think that's gonna work. No. But they're a little bit higher, and they put things in line a lot better. Next time when I'm on one of those sites, I am going to see if they have any of those little spoons. Now I know what they're for. Yeah, they're to get out drills. So now I'm just picking them up out of these little holes with my fingers, which, you know, is precarious at best. Because heaven forbid I get distracted, I'll have them beads everywhere. So, fun times, yeah? Okay, did we get them all? Or thereabouts? Whoops, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit the deal. It's a pretty light blue. And I don't know how it's going to go to get rid of the drills in the end. You know, like after I finish it. To put them in my baggie, I may just hold it sideways and put it in my Ziploc that I'm saving. Gotta come back out just a bit. Saving to put in the little tiny ornaments, of which I haven't ordered. I probably won't order them until next year. Somebody, let's see, I think it was, oh my goodness. It was somebody's, like, box of goodies. I don't know if it was Black Needle Society or whose, box per se it was. But they had an ornament. It was somebody's Christmas box. Because there was I don't know if it's glass or plastic. And the top came off the ornament and you could put your orts in it. So, yeah. I'm just looking for straight little round ornaments that are about yay big. About the size of a golf ball. To fill in with orts or my drills next year as a project. I hope to have a couple diamond paintings finished this year. So, yeah. Hang on, reaching again. Precarious. Okay, we're just going to set you back. But see, when I shake these, they go right in line. Pretty nicely. This is a light pink. I don't know, does it have? Yeah, it does have the DMC numbers. So this is 819. Molly, hush. Jeepers creepers. Already. Usually she sleeps through my videos. Or she needs to get out during my videos. Or go out, you know. It's always something. But otherwise, she usually just lays there and doesn't mess with me. Like in the summer. Now in the summer, I usually have the door open so that, you know, she can come and go as she pleases. That's a good thing and kind of a bad thing, because if she hears something, she's like out the door to go and bark at somebody before I can even quelch her to stop. Oh, for pity's sake. Now I've lost my clue. Oh, we're having a day. We're having a day. No, don't pick that up. I don't know where it went. We'll just use one of the others. We're good. Everything's fine here. Everything's fine. I usually load them all up, you know, before I start. And last night, considering I only used like one of them, one of the pins, use this one the most because it's lighter than this one, and then I have this one. These two are the heaviest two I've got. After a while, it starts killing my wrist. Can we say I just need to get up and stretch? See, that should be the little clue. I don't know, was that? Nope, that's a T. Dagnabbit, get over there. But I just thought this is such a diversified kit. It's not canvas that you change colors, but not every third one. Kind of like some I have done that are very confettied. It's not exactly confetti because the colors are all in one area. Make sense? So it's not like I've got 3 of these and then I'm done. Or something. Okay. And then I can, sorry for the arm reach. I'd lay it down, but something will befall us, I'm sure. Okay, what else have we got here? X is 11. Yeah, if I had one of those teeny tiny little spoons. We used to go get ice cream, and, you know, when you get your ice cream out, they have the little spoons for you to eat it with. Yeah. I need something like that, but I don't know where those are at. Number 11. What am I looking for? Okay. Sorry, I got distracted again. And I know I'm missing ones, because when I get to the end, there'll be like 12 scattered without in the whole thing that I have missed throughout it all, just when I think I have them all. So, got any plans for the weekend? Not sure if I do, and not sure if I don't. How's that? Yesterday I tried to lay down and take a nap, and that just didn't happen. I don't know. Slept fine last night. So, not a clue. Did we get them all? Oh, no, there's 3 more. Sometimes it's a little hard to see at this odd angle. Oh, there's another one. It's a pretty blue too. Number X. It is 826. It's kind of a medium blue, if you will. Oh my goodness. And I know I have wax somewhere. It's buried here for some reason. I don't think we're gonna... Whoop, that was attractive. Dropped it, flipped upside down. We're handy. Any more? Oh, there's 3 more. Maybe if I turn up my... There we go. Maybe I can see it. But I just like the colors in this. I think it's going to be pretty when it's done. And it's a 40 by 50, so it's not too terribly huge, you know. I'm going to set up my card table over here in the corner, I've decided, and work on my Great Wall. For a while, maybe this weekend. Okay, oops, there's one. I know you're all screaming, where is it? But right there. That's about all I see. Is it starting to look like a flower? I hope. X is number 11. Reaching again, so sorry. But I have to keep these things away from me so I don't knock them off the table. Okay, let's go with T. T is number 19. Yeah, but I've never seen these little boxes before, ever, at this dollar store. I've never seen them at the one in Salida either, which is 45 minutes away. That's down there by the Walmart. Got a little bit of green there. Oh, come on. And of course I picked up my desk, what was it, 2 weeks ago, and I put all the spare things of wax and little boats away. Yeah, that was kind of stupid. I should at least keep a couple on my table here. I don't see any more. I was working on trying to get those A's. Let's see what color they are. A is 21. Hang on, reaching again. Push. Okay. This is a pretty pink. It is 3607. It's like a fuchsia pink. Or dark bubblegum. This reminds me of that one I have that's the floral shop for, you know, the way the drills all go together. So I think this will be fun to work on because you kind of, you're making the picture as you go along, you know, more so than just filling in background and all that. That drives me nuts. Drives me nuts in cross stitch, drives me crazy in diamond painting, so. But hopefully it'll turn out okay. Hardly wait to start on the birds. I had one bird diamond painting, gosh, I don't know, maybe it was summerish? That one that I did right after I did Cinderella. And it turned out really nice. Because the bird was up close enough. So, yeah. Whoops. I saw a color and I thought that was pink. Oh, come on. Whoops. My bad. Not supposed to be as warm as it was yesterday. It was a dang near 50 degrees yesterday. It was crazy. But the wind blew all day long. Off and on. Either it was blowing at 20 miles an hour or it was blowing at 5 miles an hour. Like I wish it'd make up its mind and just snow. It's usually warmer if it snows. Oops. I don't see any more. That doesn't mean anything. Okay. A is 21. At least it's nice and wide and you can get all the stuff back into the hole there. I only saw a few of these. It's kind of a dark tangerine orange. It's really kind of pretty. It is if I could just see where to drill. Need to have it made. I don't see any more, but that don't mean anything. 23. Didn't much want to start on that R's and W's. Not much. It's 12. It doesn't make it too handy when it's in two different containers. I'm used to them being all in one. Now, what color was I going after? Oh my goodness, F. 833, number 12. That should be enough. Are they starting to look like flowers? Maybe. Not yet. It'll look better when I get everything that's surrounding all this color put in. Oh, of course, there's another C. What's really nice is I can just, okay, another C. Now, what number was that? I'll go back and I'll just stab it and get it. So, that helps. I don't have to stop, open up another container. Whoops. And get it out. Alright, I don't see any more of those. It's a pretty mustard yellow. It is 833. I was thinking it said 23. No, that's blue. Yeah, and I got a lone drill. We'll put him over there for right now. Oh my goodness. You is number 1. That's a pretty green one, or maybe it's gray. I think it's green. Oh yeah, it's kind of a moss green. Ouch, crap. See what I mean? You. Oh no, come on, I saw you somewhere. Oh my. This is in that bird's feathers. Tail feathers, I should call it. Yep, there's another one. It just kind of blends the colors together. It'll look better, much better after I get all these colors in. Of course, I get all the way there and then I don't have a drill. That is always so spectacular. I love it. Happens 9,000 times a day. But I like these 40 by 50 ones. I don't care which direction they go, but it's a nice size. It's not too overwhelming, and I can, if I just stick with it, I can finish it in about 2 weeks, maybe. Sometimes 3. I mean, it depends. This is changing colors here and there. So, we'll have to see. But I'm counting on it not being too bad. Or terribly hard to complete. I just thought it was beautiful. Every once in a while I run into a really pretty diamond painting that I just gotta have. It happens more in cross stitch that I need to have the kits, but And then sometimes I can find it in both, and it's like, okay, which would you rather do? Then more decisions have to be made. It's sad. Just sad. Push come to shove, I'd rather stitch. Is that a U? Yeah, it is. Alright, guys. I think that's going to be it. Can you tell what it looks like? See if I can back you down. So we're starting to get some of the flowers together there. Still got the centers of all that. Well, thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.